health, training, and social support. Those are some of the ways in which the Republic of India has proven to be a valuable partner to Jamaica. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has hailed the country's continued friendship with the nation while speaking in Parliament on Tuesday.
There's also been significant support towards community development, including the approval by the Indian authorities in 2021 of a grant of US $1 million for the Kitson Town Development Project.
Mr. Holness also notes India's support in sports.
We make special note of India's contribution to development of cricket in Jamaica. Including being instrumental in providing funding for the provision of floodlights at Sabina Park so that we could have night cricket. And on your trip, Excellency, you also provided gears for some of our cricketers. We note with great appreciation.
A memorandum of understanding was signed on May 16 to increase cooperation in the field of diplomatic training. This will add to the important capacity building initiatives already being offered by India to Jamaica.
This will add to the important capacity building initiatives already being offered by India to Jamaica. We look forward to broadening our engagement at the multilateral level on issues of critical development importance.
While Jamaica and India established diplomatic relations on August 12, 1962, the country's ties date back more than 175 years to 1845, with the arrival of the first Indians at Old Harbour in St. Catherine. Opposition leader Mark Golding, in his remarks, reflected on Jamaica and India's shared history,
including commitment to the rule of law, a democratic system of government, the protection of human rights, and our membership of the Commonwealth. In international affairs, Jamaica and India were leaders in the international struggle to end the apartheid system in South Africa. And both nations helped to forge an independent, non-aligned path for developing nations amidst the political polarization of the Cold War era.
Members of both sides of the aisle issued remarks during a joint sitting of the Houses of Parliament on Tuesday, May 17. President Coven, in his address, said that Jamaica is poised for even greater economic success, bolstered by ample natural resources, a young population, and dynamic leadership. The joint parliamentary meeting was held as part of activities for the 4-day state visit to the island of President of the Republic of India, His Excellency Ram Nath Kovind.